How's it going there, YouTubers? This is your one and only Python Versus here. And pretty much today, guys, we're going to be checking out what do I mostly pack out whenever I'm heading out to like the range, or even when I'm about to do like a firearms review, for example. So this is the 1620 Pelican case here. Perfectly good case to like store your rifles, a whole bunch of gear, as you guys are about to see as soon as I show you guys this. But mainly I tend to pack out right before range day. I usually pack out, you know, that same night, have all my stuff ready to go, so that I can just head out straight to the range from there. So let's get started, guys. Alrighty, guys. So let's start pulling things out of here. Let's start off with pretty much my handgun. I have my handgun pretty much separate from my belt because I'm able to adjust it much better, and I can put it in the box pretty much compact without, you know, freaking crushing anything or anything like that. So we got the Safari Land holster over here with my staccato, and let's put that aside. We have pretty much my belt setup. As you guys can see, I'm able to fit my belt. It's pretty much a stacked out belt. I can pretty much just fit my belt in there with no issues whatsoever. And yeah, she fits there perfectly fine. So let's put this bad boy out the way. We got my helmet. As you guys can see there, I have my pretty much my helmet. Usually I take my helmet and I use it mostly in the winter time more than anything else. But summer times I don't really wear it as much. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Usually wear this pretty much just for my nighttime shooting when it comes to like the winter times and stuff. This is perfect for that. And as you guys may know that in Alaska, you know, we pretty much get a lot of darkness. So in the winter time, I tend to wear this more. Also because of the heat that it provides when I'm wearing it. This thing is perfect in the winter time for me. So we got my helmet. Let's put that here. We have a fix-it kit. As you guys may know, fix-it kits, these things are freaking perfect. You know, let's say, for example, if your sights are coming off, anything that's loose, you're able to use this and tighten those things out perfectly on a handgun or a gun itself. So fix-it kit, I say this is pretty much important. It's pretty much essential when you're going to the range and stuff. So that's that. We got another good old ear protection. You know, can never have too many ear protections. I usually bring a spare just in case. Sometimes, you know, the guys, they forget, like, oh, forgot my, you know, my ear protection. I'm like, all right, I got an extra spare that you can use in the meantime. So extra ear protection is perfect. Eye Pro. I tend to carry more Eye Pro than a lot of the guys. Usually have a bunch of them. So yeah, Eye Pro, extra Eye Pro can never hurt. So I have that in there, packed in there. My rifle, so you guys can see, the good old SIG Spear LT, 11.5 inch. You know, I can fold the stock and I can fit it in there nice and perfect. So she fits in there super clean. So you guys can see, I got the good old spear in here. Let's put that bad boy aside. We have the suppressor in here. Obviously I could put it on the spear and then maybe try to fit it in, but no, I'd rather not have it on there. Just have it in there, and then just in case, you know, once I get to the range, I put it on and call it a day from there. So we got that in there. 550 cord, because you can never have too much 550 cord. So you guys may know in the military, we use this for a lot of things, and pretty much 550 cord fixes everything almost. So let's put that there. We have my sling, because you know, we need a sling with a rifle, obviously. It's one of the most important things on your rifle is a sling to be able to carry that and maneuver properly. So we got more eye protection. Like I said, can never have, you know, too many, you know, eye protection. So let's put that aside. We got some magazines and more mags. Like I said, I usually have these mags loaded in. Sometimes when I'm rushing, I don't really have the time, so I load the mags pretty much when I'm over there at the range. So, but I sometimes just throw them in there and then worry about it when I get to the range. So that's pretty much it. This is the mags here. We have ammo. Now, depending on what is it that you're doing at the range, maybe you're running a drill, maybe you're just trying to sight in things. Me personally, I carry a lot of rounds. I carry about over 1,000 because it all depends. Sometimes I may be doing a review on a firearm. Some days I'm just trying to test something out or sight in, you know, a rifle and then do the review. So I carry about 1,000 rounds of whatever it is that I'm going to take out, whether it's 9mm or 5.56, and I keep it in there. And that's pretty much it for the ammo side. So I'll take that with me. We also have a cleaning kit. Definitely bring a cleaning kit with you to the range. You may not know, you may have a rifle that's dirty and you just don't really clean it as much. And then you go ahead and shoot it and she jams up on you because it's dirty. You can take this to the range, clean her right there and then, you know, call it a day from there and hopefully she runs. Then you got the target tapes. Usually when I'm shooting over there and I'm trying to either zero or running a drill, you know, those cardboard boxes, you know, when you hurt them, you gotta tape them up, you know. So with this right here, you get to tape them up, especially the color of your target. And I don't have to, you know, remove the tape each time. This thing I can simply just boom, and then there's the tape right there itself. So yeah, you get the target tape. Let's put that aside. And then you got the plate carrier. Plate carrier itself. I believe this is a Cry JPC 2.0. I say this is very important in terms of whether you go out there and you're training and stuff. Usually I like to wear a flick, mainly because, you know, it's just the ease of movement. But in the wintertime, during the wintertime, I tend to always wear my pretty much plate carrier. As you guys may know, you train how you train how you're gonna fight. So you think about things like this, like, you know, wear your plate carrier while you're at the range. It also is a protection. It protects your vital sign, you know? So this is pretty much perfect. You know, you may have a guy in the range that's not really, muzzle awareness ain't correct, and he fucking fires the gun, and then that hits one of your vital spots, you know? This right here, this protects your vital spots. So this is perfect. So yeah, my plate carrier setup, I usually, like I said, I usually wear this a lot when I'm with a group of guys. If I'm not with a group of guys, I tend to always like just wear a flick because I'm confident in myself in terms of, you know, I'm not gonna freaking hurt myself in that instance. So, but when it's like a whole group of guys and stuff like that, this is perfect, you know, because you never know. So let's put that aside. And that's pretty much it. That's all I pretty much take to the range when it comes to, you know, me packing things out in this Pelican Case 1620. Like I said, this is it all depending on what it is that you're going to do. All right. So with me, I'm a gun tuber. I do reviews on firearms and things like that, and I do some drills here and there. All the stuff that you saw in here is pretty much what I pack. You know, and like I said, it could change for everybody else. So, but anyways, guys, this is Python Versus, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty much I thought about it, you know, mainly I'm like, oh man, you know, if I'm gonna go to the range, let me just show them what I normally bring out to the range. So, and this is a cool, like I said, get you guys a nice Pelican case, you know. I'm always for that in terms of people, you know, to pack out properly when it comes to going to the range. So something like this is perfect for that. Is pretty much the ease of movement and comfort, you know. You don't have to throw all that crap into your car and then worry about it when it's in the car. Instead, you can just take this, stow it in the car, and then take it out when you're in the range, and you're pretty much perfect. You're good to go from there, so it makes life easier. But anyway, guys, this is Python Versus, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I love you guys. Stay dangerous out there.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crap